Welcome to my creative corner, you guys. We're going to get right into this. Go up to your top and click on social media. A box will appear like this one. And we're going to go over to your side and go to apps. Yes, I have a special tool I want to tell you guys about. And this is really, really nice. It is called Shape Cropper. There we go. And so when that appears, you click on the little tab here, Shape Cropper. And now you can upload your own picture, or you can, use one that you already have. But we're going to, mess around with my own picture here. Let me see. I think I'm going to choose the pink one. I messed around with this one before, but why not? This is going to be quick now. As you can see, all of these features that you can mess around with here. Numbers, symbols, and all types of stuff. Now, I think that I'm going to choose the heart. I know Valentine's is over, but hey, everybody like hearts and love. So let me just straighten it up here a bit, and we're going to add it to our design. Okay. Now we're going to find a nice background for this right here. Let's see. Let's go to elements. Click on that, and we're going to put this element in and put it as the background. That's what we're going to do. Set it as the background. See how easy that was? All right, so we're going to stretch and put it directly in the center. Okay, so all right, and now let's find some artwork as far as text. Y'all remember I showed you this before. You can go and check out my other tutorials so you'll see exactly how I did this. Now we're going to go with Text Maker. So right now I am showing you all the amazing text features that you can play with. You cannot beat this here. It is amazing, you guys. You see this? Look at that. All right, we're going to go with this here premium, but we're going to put our own name in here, Boss Babe. Y'all like this right here? I think it's perfect. I'm going to add it to my design, and we're going to go with that. Let's see here. All right, bring it down a bit and stretch it out. Put it directly in the center. Now, you see how easy this was? It is perfect. Easy. Let's see how it looks. Look at that. Now, come on. Anybody can make a GIF and make money on Facebook just like that. It's simple, easy. So everything's look good. I'm pleased. Y'all like it? Fine. All right. So let's see here. We're going to duplicate here. Put a few duplicates. And now we're going to, save it as a GIF. Make sure you save it as a GIF. This is very crucial. Okay. All right. So we are uploading this here, making sure everything is great. Do y'all like my music? I created that myself because I don't want to get no strikes. So I decided, hey, I'm going to create my own music. All right. Now, after that there, saves, we are going to certainly upload this to our Facebook. Yeah. So, I just want to let you know you can make a lot of money online just making GIFs. Okay. People don't know nothing about this. So that's why I'm trying to put you on some game and make sure that you know how simple this is. All right. So now we're going to upload it to my Facebook. Yeah. Make sure I get on my page correctly. All right, scrolling down, put this in here. So I hope you all enjoy my content. as I'm trying to tell you what you can do here. All right, now let me select my, there we go. I found it. I'm going to upload this and put my little wording in here. Make sure all is good. I'm going to copy it because Facebook always, make things vanish. So I want to make sure that it's in here correctly. And by the time I upload this, I've probably already gotten likes because this is a pre-recorded tutorial. So I want to thank you all for the love. So yeah, let me post this. And I want to show you that is indeed a GIF. All right. So let me just refresh it and scroll down. And there we have it. There it is, you guys. GIF. So yeah, you can get paid for this. And I want to tell you, please join my group, Meta Content Creators. All right. Okay. Now, I hope you all join me again. Bye.